welcome to the new series where my main aim is to do the data analysis with Excel. Excel is one of the most used tools for the data analysis. The simple reason being you don't need to know so much of coding and stuff what we used to do in the Python, where we need to do C1 and SNS and Matplotlib and very other things to do the analysis. Well, if we are supposed to do on the Excel, we don't need to do all those formulas, formattings and everything. Yes, we need to write the formulas here, but we don't need to do some logic things and everything over there. As you can see, the layout is fairly simple, and if you are familiar somewhat with the Excel, even though you have used for once, you know what it is, how it is and everything. There is rows, columns, which you can set the entire row or column by just clicking on the names like A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So entire thing will be selected. To write anything on the Excel, we just have to click on any row or column. So like if I am clicking over here, then you can see that A1 is being selected. If I'm clicking over here, then you see B and 3. So B3 is being selected. Similarly C4, D1, or wherever we click, the clicks where the rows and column is being selected, whatever we type on the keyboard, that thing will be written on that cell only. Now it's if you see, to save any workbook, we have a save option over here. If we click over here, we can save by whatever name. So I'm gonna give it a name of Excel Basics. I'm saving it on the desktop. The file format is automatically selected as the XLSX. This is the Excel workbook file format, and whatever Excel file we are using, wherever we are writing it, this is the file extension that is being used. Just save it. So if you see, the Excel Basics is been saved. I saved on my desktop. Now coming back to the sales part, so if I am writing here rows or columns or whatever we are writing, it's written over here. See, if you want to write some numbers as well, we can write the numbers as well, 98 or maybe 100, and of course whatever we are writing, you can see it here. So that's where you can see what's happening inside the cell. Or if you want, we can write there as well and write whatever there, and it will be written over here, but it's a best practice to write it here. Another thing we can do in the cells is that we can write the formulas as well. So if I have to write some formula, first thing is to write the equal to symbol. So with the equal to symbol, the Excel knows that we are supposed to write, or we are going to write some formulas. Suppose if I want, I can click it like this, so this thing, and suppose maybe I don't know, maybe I want to do some multiplication, so multiplied by this, and if I click enter, so you see it's been multiplied. But when I click over here, you will not see 9800, instead you will see the formula. So if we want, we can write the formulas here as well. C3, it will be the same thing, so it won't matter that much. Now there is another thing to remember in this layout is the sheets. So this is known as the basic like worksheets, on which sheets we are working. This is sheet 1. We can add how much ever sheets you want, but the active sheet will be shown like this, so highlighted, remaining will be grayed out. So the one with the white background, you will get to know that yes, this is the sheet where we are currently working. Thank you for this video. I'll get some more interesting things for the next coming videos. Just follow my videos, and by the end of the course you will be best in with the Excel, how the formulas work, how to visualize it and everything. Thank you.